don't wanna hear say they were wrong. Ooh, cause I don't wanna see. Got to give me drums.
Guys, welcome to my channel. So today, we're doing the max. Today I'm doing an apartment tour. I'm looking for a nice apartment to move into, so I will be showing you guys throughout the journey what I do and what you guys think about this apartment. I mean, this place looks really nice, but let me start showing you guys what I see and what I think. So guys, this is the front door, and when you come to the left, sorry about the light, I'm using my phone, and sorry about the back quality too. So this is a mini office. She told me it's a mini office, and this is how the outside looks like. This is really, really pretty. This is a mini office, it's really cute. Now let's go to the kitchen. So let me turn on the light because I'm not seeing nothing. Oh, I'm not sure that's even the light. All right, so yeah. These cabinets, they're cute. Like, I don't mind. Like, it doesn't look bad to me. I like the white cellar thing up there. These cabinets are very cute. Like, I love this. I love this a whole lot. It's actually really, really, really cute. It has two sinks, separated sink, which is actually good. Yeah, I can decorate here. And I like the oven, even though this one looks dirty, like someone has stayed here before. I don't know. Good that it has a microwave, it has a wine cellar, and it has two-door fridge, which is actually good. And yeah, this apartment is going for $1,300. At least it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is the freezer, which is actually really cute. Really, really cute. And this is the mini pantry, obviously. Okay. Yeah, this is the mini pantry, which is okay. I'm a single girl, so there's no biggie. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh, this is a mini closet. Or like where, I don't know, like I think where you put like things that you don't want to use. Or should I call it like a mini storage? That is cute. And they give us a trash can, which is actually, I might move here. I don't know right now. I mean, I'm just thinking about it. So let's continue. This right here is the living room. What do you guys think about this? Like, it is really cute. Really, really cute. Let's check out what this is right here. So this is, like where you put your coats and, like I said, things that you don't obviously want to use, which is actually, is actually big enough. Let me see. You walk in. Yeah, you can walk inside. Literally. So that's cool. That's really cool. It has a fireplace, even though the fireplace looked like, I don't know, but it has a fireplace, which is not bad for $1,300. What do you guys think about this? This is a 2-bedroom apartment. I wanted a 2-bedroom apartment because I got a lot of clothes. Okay, let me try and open this. Okay, I don't know how to open this but anyways, I can't open it for some reason. I don't know why. But you can see that there's a, what do they call it? A corridor, or I've forgotten what they call it. But you can go outside, put your furniture outside and see the scenario or what's going outside. So that's cute. Now let's go to the bedrooms. Okay. I guess this is the bathroom. I hope they're not sharing bathrooms because I'm not gonna. I want each room to have each bathroom. Like, I want each room to have its own bathroom and toilet. So when you walk in, this is the bathroom. This is a big mirror. Hello guys. Hello guys. This is a big mirror. What's up? Look at you, girl. Hey. This is actually cute. It's a one sink. It's okay. Like I said, it's only me. Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's actually not bad at all. That's the bathroom. That's the toilet. And that's where you hang your, what do you call it? Your, what do you call it? What you used to clean your body. I've forgotten it. I don't even know how I forgot what it's called. But anyways, you guys understand what I'm going to. So we move to, I guess, the first bedroom. This is really small. The bedroom is really small. Oh wow, okay. And that's the closet. This is really small. I don't know, man. This is really, really small. It ain't big at all. Okay. Let's go to the next one. So I think this is the master's. Okay, yeah, so this one comes with its own bathroom. And, okay. Ooh, the bedroom is so small. Oh my God. Like, let me walk in and show you guys. Like, this is how the bedroom looks like. Like right there. That's it. That's it. It is so small. It is too small, man. Now let's go to the bathroom. They call it the master's bathroom. I don't like the lights. I like the daylight kind of light. But it has two mirrors, one right here and the other one right here. Hello. And it has two sinks. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. And then we have the toilet. And it has a stand-up. Oh, that is not bad at all, but the bedroom is too small. It has a stand-up bathroom and a bathtub, which is really cute. Look at that. Which is really, really cute. Now let's go to the closet. This closet is big. It is big. For just me, it is big. Look at that. I can hang some things over here, hang some things over here, do some things over here, and some things over here. Like, I don't know what you guys think about this. Like, and some things over there too. Or I can reconstruct this closet, but then I don't know if I want to do that because I'm just staying here. If I'm gonna move in here, I'm gonna probably move. I'm gonna probably stay here for like 6 or 8 months. I'm not sure, but what do you guys think about this? I actually like this. I like the bathroom. I like the white cabinets. It has a lot of space for me. And I like the closet, but I don't like the closet took a whole lot of space from the bedroom. The bedroom is, I don't know, man. The bedroom is a no-no for me. Like, it's so little. Look at this. Let me try and step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Literally. And there's like no view outside. Like, all you can see is trees, which is not bad because trees help bring, ventilation and stuff like that. But then like, and then there's a fan up here, which I say again is not bad. Man, anyways, guys, what do you think about this? Let me turn on the light because I'm just showing the top before I move in, before I think of moving in. What do you guys think about it? Do you guys like it? Do you think it's whack? Like, what do you guys think about it? Like, I really want to know what your thought process and what you guys think. And this is the second bedroom. It's actually really small. And it also has the same fan. And the closet for me was a no-no. This is so little. It's literally a no for me. No. Yeah, it's too little. But it's cute. Like, for a single girl, like I said, it's very cute. Very, very cute. The bathroom is big. The bathroom is big, really big, big enough. And the living room is okay. I don't like the shape that the living room came in, but it's okay. I think I can use here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think I can use here for a dining room. like this part, if I end up moving here, I think I can use here for a dining room. What do you guys think about it? A small dining room. And probably like put some stools over here, some sitting chairs over here. But I love that it has an island. Oh my God. I love the fact that it has an island. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the countertop too. I love the black countertop. It's actually really cute. And it also comes with a washer, which is actually cute. Let me see. Yeah. It comes with a washer and it comes with a an oven, sorry. Which is, yeah, it's like everything that you need in one. And it's just, like I said, 1,300, which is not bad at all, which is not bad. For a 2-bedroom, it is not bad. If you divide it, it's gonna be like, what, 7 something? Let me say, for example, I want a roommate, right? If we divide it, it's gonna be like 7 something. Yeah. So that's not bad at all. I actually like it. I like it. I love the reading space. I love the fact that I can turn this place maybe into my workspace, or I can turn it into my YouTube studio place. I don't know, man. So what do you guys think about it? Would you pay 1,300 for this space? Tell me what you think. Hopefully you like this channel. Hopefully you subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Mwah.